Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Tech Savvy Engineer. This is an unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. This is a Samsung branding with the Samsung Galaxy Buds serial number, some specifications on the back with sound by AKG. It has a hanging support to hang it on wall or nail. It has a support to hang on a wall. Now applying cut through the seal with the help of a knife. Trying to pull out the cover as it has this bit still attached with a seal at the bottom. So breaking the bottom seal with the help of knife. Now opening the box. Here is the earbuds. A white envelope with Samsung branding. Opening the envelope. There are some documentations. Quick start guide with some details. Then there is a warranty card with some more documentation. Putting back the paperwork inside the envelope. Galaxy Buds Plus have 11 hours of playtime, two-way speakers for rich sound, triple mic for clear voice call, QI compatible wireless charging. Now putting the envelope aside. Now taking the box. There is a small box which is the accessories box. The manufacturing place is printed here. Now this is the main earbud case. Let's see. Removing the plastic. It's in black glossy finish. Samsung branding is there from the back and front. Let's put this earbud aside and see what's inside the accessories box. It's a USB charger cable. This charging cable is Type-C cable. It is of good quality. Now putting back the USB charger inside the accessories box and seeing what more is there inside the accessories box. There are some wing tips and earbud tips with different sizes to fit here. You can see them closely. Now putting them back inside the box. Now closing the accessories box and putting it aside. Now grabbing the earbud case in hand and opening the case. The red light is blinking, which is a LED light. Taking the right earbud piece in hand and seeing how it shines and look glossy. The red light blinks when it is put inside the box. Now the green light is blinking, which shows the charge. Now closing the case. These earbuds can also be charged by reverse charging on any smartphone which is compatible for reverse charging. Now taking a close look on the earbuds on my hand, putting them on my hand. See how nice it looks. Now putting both the earbuds back inside the case. The red light LED will blink. Now the green LED will blink, which shows the charge. The earbud case looks nice and glossy. So that's all for now. You can hit the like button if you like this video. You can also share this video. Please subscribe to the channel to know more about the upcoming videos. Now putting back the envelope inside the box and closing the box. Thank you.